Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect CJ Dropshipping to your Wix website. So we want to open up the website editor, and here we will just click on Add Elements, and we will select the search bar, which is this one. So just click on it, and we're going to search for CJ Dropshipping here. So this will pop up, CJ Dropshipping. It is one word, so we want to click on open, and it will take us to the app market, and we can add this app to our website by clicking on the blue button. Then here it will give us a prompt which we have to agree to and add this application, dropshipping application, to our Wix website. So once you have selected it, you have to authorize your account here. So if you don't have an account, you will need to register one, but you can authorize and you will agree to the terms and conditions here. Make sure you click it once more, and then it will ask you to do this, but we're not going to do that. We're not going to subscribe. And here you need to log in with your account information. So just log in into your account here, and then this will successfully have connected CJ Dropshipping to your Wix website. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.